Celebrated nutritionist and author Rujita Divekar released a highly awaited book, Pregnancy Notes Before, During and After, at Tidal Waves, Bandra, Mumbai. The book was unveiled in the presence of new mom Kareena Kapoor Khan, who has been a true inspiration behind Rujita's book. However, the author admitted that the real reason for her newly launched book is Kareena Kapoor Khan's newborn, Taimur. Kareena Kapoor Khan has been in the news for a post-pregnancy fitness. A few weeks after delivering her baby boy, Taimur, she was pictured religiously attending her yoga sessions. At the launch of her friend and dietitian Rujita Divekar's book, Pregnancy Notes Before, During and After, Kareena revealed that she had even called up Rujita before she planned to have a baby.
Rujita being one of the first ones that I called when I actually made up my mind that I wanted to have a child.
Yeah.
I actually called her up and I said, listen, this is what I'm planning. Obviously, don't tell anyone, but let's work towards it because I really want to be fit. And, if I'm fit before that, I think that it's, I'm going to sail through. And, of course, with the support of, so many people, everyone, my friends, family, Rujita, everybody, I think it's been a well-documented pregnancy and a pregnancy that I think has just, flown by. So it's actually made me feel that, wow, okay, I can. Maybe I do it again.
Now that she will be working regularly, will Kareena have enough time for the baby? And back came her reply.
I think I've always had like a personal life and a professional life. But of course now it is, it is more difficult. But I'm going to try and strike a balance. And, we're starting the shoot of the movie, so he will come with me. But he also, the father has to take a little bit of responsibility. That's where Ki and Ka come in.
Kareena also talked about her sister-in-law Soha Ali Khan, who is pregnant at the moment with her first child.
I think the first thing we're going to do is gift Soha this book. That is, I think, going to really, really help her. And also, I think वो खुद ही इतनी fit है. खुद ही वो, I think she's carrying her pregnancy so beautifully. Also, I think she's looking very, 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 very cute.
And when asked about Saif's first daughter Sara and her film debut, Kareena gave the answer beautifully.
I think that, I'm sure she's going to be supremely talented because she has it in her genes. And she's looking amazing, she's looking gorgeous. And I truly believe that with her beauty and her talent, she's going to rock the industry for sure.
Let's check out what other things Kareena and Rujita discussed at the book launch.
You like to have a message for all the husbands about learning to cook?
Yeah, well, of course, but now, that goes without saying that my husband he's playing the role of a chef, but he also is, not many people know, is also a very good chef. And, but though, he gets very scared if I tell him, cook a dal and, like something like a ghar ka sabzi, he panics. He does the pasta really well, but he is a little anglicized, so he's allowed to.